What's up, Linjivo family? Ready to level up your English? Let's get in the lesson. Mwaramutse muryango mugari wa Linjivo, muriteguye kuzamura urwego rw'icyongereza. Reka twinjire mu isomo. Salut la famille Linjivo, prêt à passer votre anglais au niveau supérieur. Entrons dans le vif du sujet. Today we are learning the common verbs used in conversations. Uyu munsi tugiye kurebera hamwe ni izihe nshinga dukoresha cyane cyane iyo turi kuganira n'abantu. Tugiye kurebera hamwe inshinga zishoboka zikunze gukoresha cyangwa zikoreshwa iyo turi kuganira n'abantu. Donc aujourd'hui nous allons voir les verbes courants utilisés dans les conversations. Donc quels sont les verbes qu'on utilise quand on est en train de mener des conversations avec d'autres gens. Tugiye kurebera hamwe ni ayahe magambo cyangwa ni izihe nshinga dukoresha iyo turi kuganira n'abantu. Then we have some verbs here. Dufite inshinga zimwe na zimwe. Donc nous avons quelques verbes qu'on utilise ici. Then we have number one, that is it. Dufite inshinga ya mbere yitwa it. Iyi ni inshinga abantu benshi bamenyereye cyane. Ni inshinga mu Kinyarwanda ivuga kurya, cyangwa pour ceux ou pour les francophones, donc disent manger. Donc c'est un verbe courant, un verbe beaucoup utilisé quand on est en train de parler ou bien de faire une conversation avec les gens, cyane cyane ku bijanye no kurya, ibintu bijyanye n'ibiganiro bijyanye no kurya à propos de la nourriture. And then we have eat, kurya cyangwa manger mu Gifaransa. Then I have some examples that I wanna you see and practice. Like we have these examples, like I eat rice. Mu Kinyarwanda tuvuga ngo ndya umuceri cyangwa ndarya umuceri. We eat together, turajya turi kumwe, cyangwa yes, then we are together, turi hamwe, tugiye gusangira turi hamwe. We eat together, ubwo turarya turi hamwe twese. They eat bread, bararya umugati cyangwa barya umugati. En français on dit I eat rice, ndya umuceri cyangwa ndarya umuceri. En français on dit je mange du riz. Then we eat together, turarya turi kumwe cyangwa nous mangeons ensemble en français. They eat bread, barya umugati cyangwa barya umugati. En français on dit il mange du pain. And then that is about it. Number two, we have drink. Kurya no kunywa birajyana. Izi ni inshinga zijyana cyane. Then people eat, then after eating they drink. Abantu bararya, bamaze kurya bakanywa. Donc quand on est en train de manger, donc c'est qu'ici c'est boire. Iyo umuntu amaze kurya igikurikiraho no kunywa. Then we have a drink which means kunywa cyangwa kunywa. Mu Gifaransa bavuga boire. Donc pour ce qui est le français, les francophones disent boire. Then we have some proposed examples here. Dufite interuro hano, dufite ingero hano. Like when we say I drink water, ndanywa amazi cyangwa nywa amazi. I drink water. She drinks milk. They drink tea. Nywa amazi, anywa amata cyangwa banywa icyayi. I drink water. Nywa amazi. She drinks milk. Anywa amata. They drink tea. Banywa icyayi. Donc en français on dit je bois de l'eau. Elle boit du lait. Ils boivent du thé. Je bois de l'eau. I drink water. Nywa amazi. She drinks milk. Anywa amata. Elle boit du lait. They drink tea. Banywa icyayi cyangwa ils boivent du thé. So that was the second verb. Number three, we have the verb to go, go. Then we have go, kugenda cyangwa kujya ahantu. En français on dit aller. And then we have some other verbs here that I wanna you know and just get to know how you can use this verb in English. Mfite inishinga ya gatatu yitwa go, kugenda. And then these are some examples like I go to school, I go to school, we go home, they go to church, I go to school, njya ku ishuri, cyangwa je vais à l'école en français. We go home, tujya mu rugo, français on dit nous allons à la maison. They go to church, bajya ku rusengero cyangwa bajya mu rusengero, français on dit ils vont à l'église. Then we have the verb number 4, that is come. Inshinga ikurikiyeho ya kane yitwa come. To come ni kuza, donc les francophones utilisent venir, donc ils disent venir, kuza, come, kuza, en français venir. Then you have some proposed examples. These suggested examples, dufite ingero hano zatanzwe tugiye kwifashisha. Donc nous avons des exemples, les exemples proposés ici. Then you have come here, ngwino ahangaha, come here, or please come here, or please come tomorrow, please come tomorrow. My friend comes early, my friend comes early. And then we are also learning about the pronunciation. Turi kwiga n'uburyo aya magambo avugwa. Come here, ngwino ahangaha. Please come tomorrow. My friend comes early, my friend comes early. Then we have their equivalents in Kinyarwanda. Ifite uburyo amagambo asobanura mu Kinyarwanda. Come here, ngwino hano. Nyamuneka uzaze ejo. Please come tomorrow. Nyamuneka uzaze ejo. My friend comes early. Inshuti yanjye iza kare. Inshuti yanjye iza kare. En français on dit please come here. S'il vous plaît, venez ici. Ou bien s'il te plaît, viens ici. Ngwino hano. Please come tomorrow. Nyamuneka uzaze ejo. Please come tomorrow. Nyamuneka uzaze ejo. Bien s'il vous plaît ou s'il te plaît. Viens demain ou bien venez demain. My friend comes early. Inshuti yanjye iza kare. Mon ami vient-on. En français on dit mon ami vient-on. And then we have the fifth verb, or the verb number 5. Dufite inshinga ya gatanu yitwa speak. Speak ni kuvuga. En français on dit parler, kuvuga. Then we have some other examples here. And then when we say, for example, I speak English. I speak English, mu Kinyarwanda turavuga ngo mvuga Icyongereza. She speaks French, avuga Igifaransa. I speak English, mvuga Icyongereza. En français on dit je parle anglais. She speaks French, avuga Igifaransa. En français on dit elle parle français. We speak Kinyarwanda, tuvuga Kinyarwanda. En français on dit nous parlons Kinyarwanda. Then we have here the practice that I wanna you do by now. Ndashaka ko dukorana iyi practice, then you repeat after me slowly. Muri buze gusubiramo tugenda gake. Then let's get started. Hello, dutangire. Hello. How are you? Nice to meet you. Can I help me? Can you help me, please? I'm sorry. Can you help me? Thank you very much. I speak English. I go to school. Please come here. Can we repeat again? Hello. How are you? Nice to meet you. Can you help me? Thank you very much. I speak English. I go to school. Please come here. And then I guess these are the words that we used up in this conversation, in this lesson of today. Aya niyo magambo twakoresheje muri no somo ry'uyu munsi. Voilà les mots, bien voilà les verbes qu'on avait utilisés au cours de cette leçon. And then I want you just to practice these verbs, and then you can repeat very fast, like hello, how are you? Nice to meet you. Can you help me, please? I speak English very well. Then I want you just to practice these verbs today, and then after that you write them in the comments. Muri buze kubyandika muri comment, and then I will see whether you understood this lesson, and then I will be sure if you can really conduct a conversation between someone else. Ndi buze kumenya neza niba mushobora gukora ikiganiro n'undi muntu mu Cyongereza, and then you will write them in the comments, and then I will correct you when you make some mistakes. Niba mwakoze amakosa ndibuze kubakosora. Then after watching this video, I want you just to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget. See you guys for the next lesson.